Did you know one bad driving habit can destroy your automatic transmission and cost you thousands to fix? Most drivers don't realize they're slowly damaging their gearbox every single day. In today's video, we'll reveal the top priorities you must follow to protect your automatic transmission and avoid costly breakdowns. Make sure you watch till the end, because tip number 7 is what destroys most gearboxes. Your automatic transmission is one of the most complex and expensive parts of your car. It controls how power moves from the engine to the wheels, smoothly shifting gears without doing anything. But here's the problem. It's also very sensitive. One small mistake can lead to overheating, slipping gears, or total failure. Let's talk about the top priority to prevent damages to your gearbox. Number 1. Always use the correct transmission fluid. Not all transmission fluids are the same. Using the wrong type can cause poor lubrication, overheating, and internal damage. Always check your car manual or ask a professional before topping up. Number 2. Avoid overheating your transmission. Heat is the #1 enemy of automatic gearbox. Driving in heavy traffic, towing, or aggressive driving can increase temperatures. If your car struggles or smells burnt, your transmission might be overheating. Number 3. Never switched gear while moving. Switching from reverse to drive without stopping completely is a big mistake. This puts massive stress on internal components. Always come to a full stop before changing gears. Number 4. Change transmission fluids regularly. Dirty fluid loses its ability to lubricate and cool the system. Change your transmission fluids every 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers depending on your vehicle. Number 5. Don't accelerate aggressively. Hard acceleration increases pressure inside the gearbox. Over time, this wears out internal components faster. Drive smoothly to extend gearbox life. Number 6. Always use parking brake. When you park without using the handbrake, your gearbox holds the car's weight. This puts unnecessary stress on the transmission. Always engage the parking brake first. Number 7. Avoid driving with low transmission. This is one of the fastest ways to destroy your gearbox. Low fluid means poor lubrication and overheating. Check fluid levels regularly. Number 8. Don't ignore warning signs. If you notice delayed gear shifts, slipping gears, strange noises, don't ignore them. Fix the issue early before it becomes expensive. Number 9. Service your car regularly. Routine servicing helps detect problems before they get worse. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Number 10. Warm your car before driving. Especially in the morning, your transmission fluid needs time to circulate. Let your car idle for a minute before moving. Taking care of your automatic transmission doesn't require expensive tools, just smart habits. Follow these tips, and your gearbox can last for years without major issues. Ignore them, and you could be facing one of the most expensive repairs in your car. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car care tips. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments.